What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SS back again with another video. And today we're gonna be cutting up in a Camaro SS with a fin that's tuned and with a SST with a muffler delete. Oh my god, y'all hear that fin check? You hear that fin? You hear the fin check? Y'all hear the fin? Oh yeah. Chat. Y'all folks stay tuned. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get that fin. Y'all see the fin? The tune fin back there in the back. Yes, sir, ski. Black Mafia. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski, chat. Yes, sir, ski. What type of car y'all like? You know what I'm saying? I like V8s pretty much. I'm a Chevy guy, so I love my Camaro. You know what I'm saying? SS, you know, the big SS. You hear me? It ain't the 01 though, but this the best bang for the buck. You know what I'm saying? It's the best bang for the buck. You feel me? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Man, should the blowers in the blue lane by. You feel me? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Be popping. Boy popping. I hear that thing back there. Y'all hear that thing? Y'all see these motherfuckers, Jack. Y'all see motherfuckers. We got the stack. We got the goddamn snap. But I posted when that bitch got some cash back. They didn't even have cash. They didn't have an ATM. That motherfucker over there probably got it. Like, god damn. Last night, bro. Like we downtown by the way. We downtown by the way, chat. You know what I'm saying? It been a long fucking day. Shit time. Shit time, chat. Like these niggas, we downtown right now, bro. I'm like, baby, yo, baby, hell of a cop. Not as bad, chat. Chat, y'all hear it? Bro, I can't even speak, bro. I can't even speak because that shit is loud as fuck. That shit is loud, bro. Like, chat, this place is full of cops. So if I drop the camera down and I'm still recording, just know that's why.